What does a pig say?
uh,
Oink oink. What does a cow say? What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What does a sheep say?
Ba.
Ba. What does a donkey say?
Hee-ha.
Good job. Hee-haw. What does a doggy say?
Woof, woof.
What's that? It's a horse. What does a horse say?
Yay.
What are those little chicks? What do chicks say?
Beep, beep.
Peep, peep. What color are the chicks?
This is.
They're yellow chicks. Oh, I can't turn the page. What are those?
Da.
Ducks. What do ducks say?
Sha, sha.
Quack, quack. How many ducks are there?
1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ducks. Who's this?
Da.
Duck. Yeah, it's a mommy duck and baby ducks. Bye-bye, ducks. It's time for the ducks to go night-night.